and welcome back to Recipes by Aisha, and today we'll be making creamy chicken cheese curry, which is so rich in flavor and delicious, and you should definitely make it. Let's cook it. You have to take a walk for this recipe to make it exactly how it is cooked in restaurants, and then add oil. Then you have to use cube-shaped boneless chicken and let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes till it changes its color. Let me know in the comments below from which country are you watching this recipe. Then add ginger and garlic paste and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you have to add butter. I'm using lightly salted butter here, and then I'm adding less salt. If you are adding unsalted butter, then you add 1 tablespoon of salt here. Now cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes to get the chicken cooked before you add the spices. Now you have to add black pepper crushed, white pepper crushed, roasted coriander powder, crushed red chili, and roasted cumin powder, and saute it for 5 to 7 minutes on medium to low flame. Then add cube-shaped capsicum and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes to let the capsicum get soft and chicken to be perfectly cooked. You have to saute it for 5 to 7 minutes and let the excess water dries completely from the curry before you add cheese. I am using shredded mozzarella cheese. You can even use cheese slices here and let it melt completely. Then add thickened cream to the curry for the rich and creamy flavor and mix it together. I have already put the coal on fire, so we will give that smoky flavor to our curry, and pour some oil on the burning coal and let it have that smoky flavor for a few minutes. Now enjoy this delicious restaurant style smoky and creamy chicken cheese curry with your favorite flatbread, and serve it hot with garnishing of ginger and green chilies. And look at that creamy rich texture of curry and enjoy. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried this recipe and how much you liked it.